Hi there. Today we're going to be installing a pre-finished hardwood floor. This floor is 5/16 of an inch thick, and we're going to be gluing it to the floor. Make sure our floor is smooth and well swept. Check for any protruding nail heads, and we'll hammer those down. Then we're going to measure. This floor is 4 inches wide, so we're going to measure 2 feet off the wall. The boards will go under the wall just a little bit if it's not straight. If the baseboards were all the way to the floor, you'd want to measure an extra 1/4 of an inch just to make sure that it makes it across the whole wall. Okay, we made our 2 marks on either end of the room. Now go ahead and chalk them. That's a nice chalk line on here. All right, now we'll go get the glue. Okay, now we're going to spread the glue. We're going to spread right up to our line. We've got the proper notch trowel for the application. A nice even spread. Don't want to leave no globs anywhere. I'm going to glue the rest of this 2-foot area, then we'll be back to show you how to install it. Okay, we got the first 2 feet glued. I'm going to start putting down the floor. First piece, we're going to line it up right up there to the red line. Push it in the glue. The next piece. Alright, that's how you do it. And we'll go ahead and get some more done. I'll start the next row. What you want to do too is you make sure that you stagger all your seams. Use this board to start with. This particular glue I'm working with too is a non-urethane glue, so it makes for an easy cleanup in case you get some on the wood, which you will get some on the wood, guaranteed. Wood goes together nicely, looking great, and we'll get the rest of this done and we'll get back to you. Thanks. Alright, we're on our last piece for this section. Put it in here like this. Push it together. I'm going to use my motor lifter to pull it together a little bit. I'll mess up the baseboards, so I'll put this piece of glue on here. Okay. And there you have it, the first 2 feet of pre-finished hardwood. The only other thing you want to do is get your 100-pound roller, roll over it to make sure you have maximum tension. There's our roller right here. That's how you do it. Thanks, and have fun with your floors.